This is Ryan. Ryan loves to stay on the cutting edge of technology, so he bought a car with all the bells and whistles to make his drive more convenient. If any of the technology systems fail, it can cost thousands of dollars per repair. That's a hit Ryan would rather not take. That's where EasyCare comes in. EasyCare's TechCare vehicle service contract offers protection from parts and labor costs associated with repairs to navigation and GPS systems, entertainment systems, convenience systems like touchscreens, voice recognition, remote start and seat temperature control, active safety systems, and miscellaneous systems like power liftgate and power steering, seats, and windows. It can even cover some repairs that the manufacturer's warranty doesn't. And it doesn't stop there. We go the extra mile with additional convenience benefits such as 24/7 emergency roadside assistance and towing, substitute transportation reimbursement, and trip interruption reimbursement, which you can use if your vehicle is in the shop for any covered repair. EasyCare's TechCare can cover many types of vehicles, including electric vehicles, medium-duty and lifted trucks, and vehicles used for rideshare. Over 11 million customers have trusted EasyCare since 1984. In fact, EasyCare has paid over $3.5 billion in claims and is designated as a Motor Trend recommended Best Buy. Embrace the journey. We'll take care of the rest.